So I did something bold. I unplugged my trusted to TB external hard drive, the one I used for everything, backups, edits, powered by AI. It's 2025, why not let artificial intelligence handle my entire file system? No more cables. Just an invisible brain in the cloud that remembers, organizes, anytime. But I'm walking you through what went right and what you need to know before you ditch your external drive for an AI-powered cloud system. So let's start with the fantasy because honestly, the pitch from companies like Dropbox AI, Microsoft Copilot for OneDrive, Apple file. I uploaded 1.7 terabytes into Google Drive, connected it with Gemini 1.5 Pro, and used a smart AI overlay called Docio, and categorizes documents using natural language. I could type, show me my most used client video templates. And boom, Gemini pulled not just the files, but the folders. I didn't have to remember file names anymore. Then I tried Cloud with AI-powered search indexing. It wasn't labeled that way, but the AI knew from image context and metadata. Instant result. Even Notion notes, and within days, my entire digital life was searchable. No more scrolling. No more where did I put that video. Just ask the AI. But then the cracks started to show. First, speed. No matter how fast your internet is, cloud access is never as fast as local SSDs. Opening a large Premiere project from Google Drive AI lag. Rendering video from a remote directory stutter. Even downloading a multi-gig folder for edits felt like going back in time. I once asked the AI, where's the invoice I sent to Maria? I didn't ask it to. That is when I realized, AI isn't just storing your files, it is reading them. Your financial docs, your creative drafts, your proprietary code. If you don't set proper permissions or local encryption, you're handing over your digital soul to a server farm you don't own. After a week, I noticed something strange. I stopped remembering where I stored things. I stopped organizing folders. I stopped labeling files. Why bother? But then one day, I lost connection. No cloud, no AI. No memory. Just a blank file tree. I didn't even know where my most important projects lived anymore. I'd outsourced my brain to a black box. That's when it hit me. The real danger of AI cloud isn't just about storage it. It's about cognitive offloading. You stop thinking about your data. You stop caring about structure. And when the system fails, or worse, when it locks you out, you're lost. Fifth, cost. Oh yeah, cloud AI isn't cheap. Between Cloud's annual plan, Gemini Advanced AI, Otter AI Pro, and Google Workspace upgrades, I was paying over $400 per year to replace a $120 hard drive I already owned. And I still needed local storage for editing, scratch files, and security backups. Which brings us to the big question, was it worth it? Should you replace your hard drive with AI Cloud? My answer, not fully, but used correctly, Cloud AI is a massive upgrade to your workflow if you balance it right. So here's my personal 2025 blueprint based on hard lessons. Step 1. Keep local drives for active projects and backups. Your external SSD is still the fastest, most secure way to access and protect your work. Use a 2 terabytes portable SSD like the Samsung T7 Shield or Crucial X9 Pro for current work, and a 4 terabytes RAID drive at home for long-term storage. Step 2, use AI cloud tools for discovery, search, and summaries. Let Gemini or Copilot summarize your folders. Use Docio or Notion AI to extract highlights from long files. Let Cloud AI auto-tag your photos and docs, but don't rely 100% on them. Cross-check. Keep a map. Stay mentally engaged. Step 3, encrypt sensitive data before uploading. Tools like Cryptomator, Veracrypt, or Mako's File Vault can protect files before the cloud sees them. AI can't learn from what it can't read. Step 4, automate backups. Use Chronosync, Carbon Copy Cloner, or SyncBack Pro to back up both your local and cloud drives. Set it and forget it. Redundancy is key. Step 5, build a hybrid system. Here's mine: local SSDs for projects, Cloud for archive, Notion for metadata, Gemini for AI search, and Anonymous for home backups. It's complex, but it's safe, fast, and flexible. Step 6, educate yourself. Don't just click upload. Know where your data lives. Know what the AI sees. Know how to get it back if it all goes down. That's the secret. AI isn't your enemy, it's a powerful partner. But partners need boundaries. The cloud isn't your mind, it's your assistant. And external drives? They're still the bedrock of creative freedom. Because when you're working with terabytes of raw footage, or building apps, or rendering 3D models, nothing beats local speed. The future isn't cloud or drive, it's cloud and drive. It's AI plus intention. It's automation plus awareness. So yes, I swapped my external hard drive for cloud AI. And I learned the hard way, you don't need to plug into fear. But you should never unplug your brain. Smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech challenges, future experiments, and real talk from TechWave 6.5.